goodbye, see you later, cheerio, farewell. It's a bit like Sound of Music, okay? Cheerio, farewell, boom! Okay. Cheerio, farewell, boom! Okay, are we ready for rap mode? Sorry. Goodbye, see you later with the rude side, okay? Goodbye, see you later, goodbye, see you soon, goodbye, see you later, cheerio, farewell, boom. Brilliant. Now, we're going from the top, okay? And this means you feel a lot happier now you can read it, don't you? But you've got to remember the actions. Let's see how we get on. This is called active learning. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Good morning, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? Hello, what's your name? I'm called Carol. Hi there, how are you? Hi there, how are you? Hi there, how are you? I'm fine.